Hi friends, so in this video we are going to configure VTP. So we have taken three switch 1, switch 2 and switch 3. So we need to configure VTP on these switches. So we will make switch 1 as a server, VTP server, and switch 2 this will be in a transparent mode, and switch 3 we will make as a client. So let's go on a switch 1, uh, conf t, sorry, enable conf t. Let's change the host name. Host name is 1. Okay, so let's check the VTP status. Show VTP status. By default, all switches are in a server mode. So as you can see, this is a server. This switch is in a VTP server mode. So show VLAN brief. There is no VLAN. These are the default VLAN which is already there in the switch. Let's check on a switch 2. Enable conf t host name s2. Similarly on switch 3, enable conf t host name switch 3. So now we need to make S1 as a VTP server. So this is already in VTP server, so let's configure this switch. Conf t VTP domain, we need to assign one domain. So VTP domain Rashid. Okay, and VTP mode server. Okay, so it is saying like this device is already in server mode. Let's go on a switch 2, and we configure this switch as a VTP transparent. So VTP mode transparent. Okay, let's go on a switch 3, VTP mode client. Okay, so this is configured as a client. So let's see if these switches join the uh, VTP domain. So I'll go here, show VLAN, sorry, show VTP status. So here I'm seeing this switch is in a transparent mode, but domain I'm not showing. There is no domain here. Let's verify here. Exit, show VTP status. So VTP status. So this switch is in a client mode, but here still we are not seeing any domain. So yeah, I think we forget to configure ports as a trunk port between the switches. So this is a VTP, and in order to exchange the VTP message, that this port need to be in a trunk mode. So let's configure this ports interface, G1/0/1 switch port mode trunk. Okay, same we will go on a switch 2 and conf t interface g1 slash 0 slash 1 switch port mode trunk. Okay, and on switch 2 there is a interface gig 1 slash 0 slash 2. We need to make this port also a trunk port, so I'll make the port and I'll go on a switch 3 and then conf t interface g10/1 switch port mode trunk. Okay, so I have configured the trunk port. So let's verify if this switch 3, which is in a client mode, join the domain or not. So we have created a domain as a Rashid on a VTP server which is S1. So let's check on switch 3, show VTP status. Still it is showing the same. Is it show VTP status domain is a Rashid? Let me check again. Still it is not showing. Show VTP status. Let me create one VLAN and check. Conf t VLAN 10. So yeah, as you can see now it has joined the domain Rashid. So let me, this switch 3 is in client mode, so let me verify the VLAN. Show VLAN. So I have created on a switch 1 VLAN 10, and now you can see VLAN 10 is on switch 3. So our VTP server is working, and let's check on switch 2, show VLAN brief. So this is on a transparent mode, so as you can see there is no VLAN 10, and it's in a transparent mode, so it is forwarding the VTP messages, but it is not synchronizing. It's a database with VTP. So we can create any VLAN here. Conf t VLAN 20, but it will not have any effect on switch 3 or switch 1. Show VLAN brief. So as you can see there is only VLAN 10. Exit, show VLAN brief. So let's create one more VLAN. Conf t VLAN 30. So it should come on a here, show VLAN brief. Now you can see the VLAN 30 here. Let's go on a switch 2, show VLAN brief. So here it doesn't synchronize its database with VLAN server, so there is no VLAN 30. Okay, so that's all for this lab. Thank you all for watching the video.